Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own ringtone. So first you record your video that you want. I've already recorded mine. And then you go to audio extractor. I already went there. I press go. And then you say open video, photo library. And then you pick the video you want. And then you extract audio when it's done downloading. Once that's loading, you press download. And then you download it, and when it's done downloading, you go to GarageBand, and you go to the LoopDeloop thing, and you go browse from Files app, and then you do this one. And then you do the one that you want. And then if you want to make yours bigger, you can either loop it or something. And then there you go. And then you go to My Songs, and it'll be right there. And then you hold it down. You press share, and then you press ringtone in the middle. And then if it says that, then just press continue, and then press export, or like change your ringtone name, and it will be exporting as ringtone. And then press OK, and then go to settings, and then go to notifications. Okay, I think you go to sounds actually, and then you go to ringtone, and then it will say all your songs, like this one, this one, this one, this one. But I'll keep it by that one. And that's how you make a ringtone by yourself. And you can use it as a clock alarm too. Bye.